What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Crazy Crypto Cliff, aka Triple C's. Drop them C's in the chat and let me know you're rocking with the kid. All right, look, guys, we got a lot to talk about today. Okay, and I want to get you guys prepared for the week ahead. All right, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so here's what we got. So data on job openings for the month of July is coming on Wednesday. Okay, it's going to be followed up on Thursday with the ADP employment data and initial jobless claims. Okay, that's going to arrive on Thursday, and on Friday, the government's monthly employment report with the unemployment rate and wage data that is set for Friday. Okay, so we have a busy week of data coming out, and that is going to determine, guys, how much of a rate cut is going to happen in September. Okay, now Fed Chair Jerome Powell did give some clues at the Jackson Hole Summit during his speech that we are likely to see some rate cuts, although it's possibly going to be marginal. Okay, so this is what he said. He said, with policy in restricted territory, the baseline outlook and the shifting balance of risk may warrant adjusting our policy stance. Okay, so that's what he said. All right, now there are two clouds that are hanging over this whole thing. Okay, that I want you guys to be mindful of, and these two things are definitely going to have some effect on the market, once everything gets settled out. Okay, so one thing is we have is the tariffs, right? So now recently the courts did overturn the tariffs. They were found to be unconstitutional. Okay, so the judge did give them to October, I believe it was October 10th. I could be wrong about that, don't quote me on that. Okay, but it is until October to appeal to the Supreme Court. Okay, if they don't appeal, guys, then the tariffs are done. The tariffs are out. Okay, but if they appeal, then it's going to go to the Supreme Court, and we have to wait and see how that goes. Okay. Now, another thing is the firing of the Fed Chair, Lisa Cook. Okay, not Fed Chair, I'm sorry, one of the Fed governors, Lisa Cook. Okay, so they did at least try to fire her, but she is still currently on the job. Okay, because she appealed. She appealed that. All right, so we have to wait and see the outcome of that as well. Okay, because that is going to have a huge effect on the market going forward for the foreseeable future. Okay, so those are two things I want you guys to be mindful of. All right, now, gang, we do have some stocks to watch this week. We're going to be keeping our eyes on stocks like Walmart and Uber, okay, to see if they're going to hit some of the levels that we talked about last week. All right, and then we'll decide if we need to make some adjustments or if we want to hop into some new plays. Okay, and stay tuned this week, guys. I do got some more videos coming for you all this week. All right, so stay tuned for that. But look, guys, if you want to learn how we are trading stock options, guys, then you need to go over to the website crazycryptocliff.com, sign up and become a member, and you can watch the training videos and everything over there. All right, but look, that is all I have for you guys in this particular video, guys. I would definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, gang, and let's get this money.